Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In today's episode, I'm gonna guide you through a quick and a simple process on how to change your display language on Rapids Wallet application. So let's dive ahead into the video right away. Launch open the Rapids Wallet application and make sure that you're inside your main homepage after logging in. Once you're logged in, tap the settings button at the bottom right hand corner. This will then open up the settings menu from where you'll need to press on the change language option. Now, from the list of available language on the next page, select one of the language you are trying to change to, and once you tap on it, tap on the done button at the top right, which should immediately change your language. It will redirect you to the main homepage of Rapids Wallet, from where you'll need to log into your wallet again. Enter your password for your wallet, and once you are logged in, you will be able to see the language change right away. So that's how easy it is to change your language setting on your Rapids Wallet application. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.